All right, let's get real for a second. There comes a point in life where you've been let down so many times that hope doesn't even feel safe anymore. You want better, you pray for better, you're trying to move toward better, but deep down, you're scared that if you let yourself expect anything good, life is going to remind you why you stopped hoping in the first place. If that's you, sit with me for a minute. We're going to talk through this together. People act like hope is easy. Hope is brave. Hope means trusting tomorrow can be different, even when your past is loud. And when you've had things fall apart, when you've watched blessings slip right through your hands, when you've given your best effort and still ended up disappointed, your brain learned something. Hope equals pain. So you stop letting yourself get excited. You call it being realistic, but really, it's self-protection. Some of us grew up in environments where disappointment wasn't an event. It was a pattern. So now you pre-brace for impact. You don't celebrate early. You don't expect too much. You don't trust the moment until it's in your hands. That's called disappointment conditioning. Your nervous system gets so used to emotional hits, it prepares for them before anything even happens. When money's tight, your world shrinks. You're not thinking about 5 years from now. You're thinking, can I get through today? Every dream feels expensive. Every step feels heavy. Every mistake feels like the end of the world. You start lowering your expectations, not because you don't want more, but because your heart is tired. What you want to do first is start with practical hope, not fantasies, not big goals, just one small win you can control today. Next, build evidence, not imagination. Hope becomes easier when you can point to something real and say, look, I did that. Third, stop assuming the worst. You deserve to walk into things expecting them to work out, not crash. Fourth, celebrate small progress. Yes, even if nobody sees it. Celebration reminds your brain that good things can happen to you. Last, give your future some structure. Life feels safer when you're not waking up every day trying to figure out everything from scratch. I hear this all the time from people who join the blueprint. Hey, Leaf, I'm starting to hope again. And it's not because of me. It's because the blueprint gives you structure, clarity, and a real step-by-step path. It takes the fear out of hoping and replaces it with direction. When the plan makes sense, your hope feels safer. You don't have to be scared to want better. Life didn't pass you by. Life just drained you. If you felt this episode in your chest, drop a comment saying, I needed this. And if you're ready to rebuild hope with clarity, not chaos, the blueprint link is in the description. GetDailyPayments.com.